I thought this video, since we just fixed this pyramid 12 amp supposed power supply, we're going to check it and see. I'm going to back out here quite a ways, and you can see over here that's a digital amp meter. Of course, there is also the amp meter on here, which is really hard to use because there's such a short amount of distance between. I mean, this first mark is 10 amps, so it's just hard to control. The analog section of this won't work for small supplies. It works fine if you're dealing with 50, 100 amp supplies, but not this baby. So we got the thing turned on. We got it running through the 20 amp digital amp meter. We got it hooked up through series on the power supply we just fixed for Larry. I'm going to start turning this up, and you'll see the digits over there on the right. Check out the red digits over there on the right. Alright. There we're at 2.25 amps of current draw. I think you can see that all right. I could zero in on that a little better. It's 2.36 amps. I'm going to very gently take this up. 3.8, 9, 4, 4.2, 4.6, 5, 3, there we go. You can see the voltmeter over here is not dropping. It's staying up there at 13.8 or close to it. So there we are at 8 amps. Here we are approaching 9. It'll jump to 9 here. There's 9.5. The voltmeter is still hanging up there pretty good, so it's still regulating. There's 10, 10.4. And we're going to advance. There the voltmeter's starting to drop a little bit at 11.8. So it's working like it's supposed to. We're going to put this back together, clean the front panel up, check the connections inside again, make sure they're all right, and this will be back to you, Larry. And that'll be the end of this video on how to repair a small pyramid PS12K.